How to delete multiple contacts on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Contacts application on your phone. The Contacts app on iPhone is a built-in application for managing contact information. It allows users to store names, phone numbers, email addresses, and other details for individuals and organizations. This is your iPhone keypad. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Contacts in the middle. You can find all your contacts over here. Now, tap and hold the contact you want to delete from here. Then, select Delete Contact at the bottom. Tap on Delete Contact again to confirm. You have now successfully deleted this contact from your phone. Alternatively, tap on the contact you want to delete. Here, you can view and edit this contact information. Go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. Scroll down to the end and tap on Delete Contact. Following these steps, you can easily delete multiple contacts on iPhone.